Hi and Namaste. My name is Parul Agarwal. I am a yoga teacher and I teach Ashtanga style yoga. Today we are here to talk about importance of face yoga and how few facial exercises can help you look younger and radiant for long. Over a period of time, as our body becomes weak, same way even our facial muscles become weak and loose. We need to work a bit around them to tighten those face muscles, improve the elasticity on the face and overall rejuvenating the face. So, working on these facial muscles, on these meridians, on these pressure points help you to increase the collagens and elasticity of your face. So the first tip over here we are going to do for our four lines at our forehead. We're going to go from our forehead towards down the face. So over a period of time we develop these lines over our foreheads. We just try to reduce them. So make a fist of your hand. So thumb is facing up. You're going to place both the hands over here in the center of your forehead and begin to stretch on both the sides. Once you're doing that, you're going to just raise your eyebrows up and down with a count of 10. Let's do that. You're going to raise your eyebrows up and down, up and down. Keep stretching it up and down, up and down. Keep your count as 10. Every facial exercise has to be done at a count of 10 and a set of 3. And slowly rub your palm or your fist over here on your face and release. The next one here is blinking eye exercise. These are for the lines and the wrinkles which are around your eyes and the puffiness and dark circles. So how do we do that? We're going to open our eyes wide. Try to show the white inside the eyes as much as you can and then squeeze your eyes tightly. Let's do it together. We're going to do it for 3 counts for now, but you need to practice it for at least a minute or 10 counts, 3 sets. Let's do that. Open your eyes wide. Squeeze. Open. Squeeze. Open. Squeeze. And relax. Keeping your eyes closed for 10 seconds. The next one here is get cheeky. As the name suggests, it's all about your beautiful pinky cheeks. We have to avoid them from making them thin and hollow, and it helps. The exercise I'm going to share with you is going to help you tone the overall muscles of your cheek. It's very, very simple. You're going to make a balloon of your face. You're going to fill the air from your mouth like this, and then you're going to keep that air in your mouth and rotate it from your left to right, right to left. Do that 10 times on each side, or a 10 count on each side, and then release the air from your mouth slowly. Let's do that together. And slowly release the air from your mouth. The next one over here is for your smile smoothers and the area around your lips. First impression is the last one. A smiling face always attracts people and put them to ease. So we're going to do the same thing for our smoothing lines and the area, just to keep them uplifted and lifted. How do we do that? It's very simple. Just kiss and smile, or smile and kiss. So let's do that. We're going to smile and kiss. Smile, kiss. We're going to do that again in a count of 10 and a set of 3. And the last one for today is look up, chin tuck. So it's definitely, as the name says, it's about your chin area, about the double chin and your jawline. Let's do that. It's very simple. You're going to look up, open your mouth wide and close. You're going to keep opening it and closing it. Feel the stretch over your jawline and on your chin area. Once again, you're going to do this in a count of 10. And once you finish, you're going to slowly massage your chin area with your 4 fingers. And over here with your 5 fingers on your neck and your jaw. And slowly release. Once you finish all these techniques or the exercises, you're just going to sit straight with your eyes closed. You will stay here for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Post that, you're going to rub your palms, generate good amount of heat, and place it on your eyes and your face. Blink open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you very much, guys. Hope these techniques were helpful. Please try them out and write how did you feel after that. Have a good day.